Hey boobies! Welcome to another episode of Rick's Animal Academy. Now this is a special episode today, kiddies, because you see, I've been working on a super hypersensitive microphone to record nature sounds. You know me, I'm big into animal husbandry. Or maybe that doesn't sound right. Anyway, I'm a friend to animals everywhere. So I've been working on this new special super sensitive microphone to record nature sounds, and I got some great sounds right here on this disc. So I'm going to load this baby up, and you ain't going to believe the great sounds I caught. A whole new level of nature sounds, boobies. Unbelievable. Alright, here we go.